Hi, I'm Rob Cosman. Welcome to my shop. We recently added a piece of dust collecting equipment that has made a much bigger change than I would have thought. It's an overarm dust collector. It's made by Excalibur. I've been told by friends who have had similar units, not made by this company, and they weren't happy at all. I want to show you where it's really effective and where it doesn't make a whole lot of difference. Now, first of all, you have to understand that we've got a large dust collector. It's a 5 horsepower Oneida, single phase. It's coming off of it's an 8-inch line that comes out of it, reduced to a 6, and we're feeding the table saw with a 4-inch line. Now, there's a Y down here because this is a separate unit. When you're not using it, you have it shut off, and that obviously gives you more CFM right in your table saw. And by the way, SawStop has what I think is probably the best dust collecting of any table saw I've ever worked on. And they recently came out with a piece that cuts that opening in half so that all of the suck is coming at the bottom side of the blade. It's really effective, made a huge difference. Used to get stuff coming up out of there when you were cutting, come right into your face, and it has cut that down dramatically. But I'll show you where this is limited and where it's actually of great value. Especially if you're cutting a lot of big sheet goods, that's when it pays for itself. Now, I might add, it wasn't difficult to install. And there is a lock right here, so if you want it out of your way, you can easily swing that out and it gives you back your entire table saw. Put that in place, lock it down. The gate is open. And we've got a blast gate set on this, so as soon as I start the table saw, it'll turn on the dust collector. So, bring this over, so it's in the middle of the saw. Lock it here. And then release it, and that'll come down, and that'll just counterbalance with that spring, so it'll ride up and down when you're cutting a board. If you're cutting a lot of sheet good, when you're going to be making a cut in the middle of the sheet so that this is going to ride on either side of the cut, I'll show you what I mean. There's very little, if any, dust that actually escapes. The problem is when you come in and you've got either you're cutting really close with narrow strips, or you're just taking a little bit off the edge, and you'll see how much actually gets thrown out. So in that case, it doesn't do much good at all. But like I said, if you're processing large sheets and breaking them down, you put that on, you can't even smell the MDF dust in the air. I think for that purpose, it's absolutely worth the cost. So this is made by Excalibur, but General International owns them. I can't remember the exact price, but well worth it if you value your health. Great piece of kit. I hope this helps.